Using the wrong tool sucks. Unfortunately, a lot of people are using the wrong tool without even realizing it. And if you're still sanding or grinding or chemical stripping your restoration project, you're one of them. That's because the best tool in the world for automotive restoration is the Dustless Blaster. This thing removes paint, primer, rust, and even body filler in one simple step. Now don't get me wrong, hand sanding and scraping are great if you want to herniate a disc or give yourself early arthritis. But if you just want to get to the after faster, you gotta use the Dustless Blaster. Dustless Blasting uses water mixed with recycled glass abrasive to remove even the toughest stuff, like heavy rust and undercoating. Now you may be thinking to yourself, that's the dumbest thing ever. Everyone knows that water makes things rust. Well, believe it or not, we've thought of that. Our Dustless Blasting Rust Inhibitor prevents flash rust for up to 72 hours, and it improves paint adhesion and longevity. Did I mention that water suppresses dust so you can blast practically wherever? This is truly the best tool in the world for automotive restoration. If you want to learn more about this incredible tool and find out what it can do for automotive restoration and a whole lot of other industries, check out dustlessblasting.com.